Hi, I'm Chef Adam Moore with True Aussie Beef and Lamb, and welcome to my kitchen in Chicago. Today we're going to be cooking a delicious lamb and sausage gumbo. It's very easy to make, and you can scale it up to last you the entire week. So first, we're going to add our bacon. This is going to add a nice little smokiness to the dish, as well as give us a little bit of oil to brown our meat. And next, we're going to add Australian lamb. So we've got Australian lamb leg here. You can also use shoulder, you can use lamb loin, any sort of cut, ground, and even beef. Next, we're going to add our andouille sausage. Again, here you can substitute any sort of sausage if you have a hard time finding andouille. And then we're going to add in our Cajun Trinity. So we got bell peppers, a little bit of celery, and onion. Also got a little bit of minced garlic in here as well. And you can just toss it right in. Give it a quick stir. And then we're going to add in our seasoned flour. Add that in just like so. Again, stir again. And then lastly, we're going to add in a vegetable base. I like using this a little bit better than salt. Salt is just salty, but this vegetable base adds a nice little depth of flavor. And then finally, just add in a little bit of water. And we're going to stir just a little bit more, just to incorporate all of those ingredients. And literally, I'm just going to put the lid onto this, set it, and it's done. For more easy recipes like this, visit trueaussiebeefandlamb.com.